Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we are outside. This is part 2 of the vitamin bottle light. And as you can see, I have some black paint here, so I'm going to paint the outside black. I'm going to do that right now. And there you have it. It is now painted. That's what it's going to look like. There we go. So, next time you see this, it'll be done. Alright, we are back. So it's a couple hours later, and as you can see, this is now painted black. Looks really good. It's not the best, but it looks really good. So I'm going to put the cap back on, as you see here. There we go. It fits, so now it's black and white. So when I plug this in into my daily use machine USB port, you're going to see some really cool things happen here. Oh, the LED came through. See? Pretty cool, huh? Yep. There we go. See how cool that is? I'm not sure if you can see it on camera. Let me move the camera close. See how cool that is? Looks really cool. Alright, so anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.